see the bird show? I can hear you.
Yes.
The sky belongs to the birds. Although they are also masters of land and alright, here we go. So let's start our show by welcoming our flag-raising bird, Dede. Si Bandit right here is a red and green mako, also known as the green-winged mako. Macaws are widespread in the forests and woodlands of northern and central South America. And there you go, show is officially started. A round of applause for our flag-raising bird, Dede. So hello everyone, and may hapon sa kanan. Welcome to Cebu Ocean Park Amphitheater. I am Mark and I'll be your host for today's show. Now the next featured bird is just like any best friends, and best friends can be competitive, right? So let's call them Blue and Azul. Today we will compete who's the best on the basketball game. This is Azul and this is Blue. But before we start our game, I'll be dividing you into two groups. Now all the boys will cheer for Blue and say, Go Blue! Go Blue! And all the girls will cheer for Azul and say, Go Azul! Go Azul! Now guys, are you ready for the basketball game?
Yes.
Again, are you ready for the basketball game? Okay, boys, ready? Trainers ready? Set, go! Let's go, birds! Okay, first rank for bumpers. set, go! Let's go, birds! Okay, first ring for blue. Second wing, what is this? Azul because the three rings at the same time. How clever was that? So, Trainer Christy, three rings at the same time. What can you say?
Hey, what was that, Trainer Mary? You guys cheated.
Oh, did you guys really cheat?
No, we didn't cheat. Azul just used her brain.
So, round of applause for blue and azul. Now this time I need an adult volunteer. Well, a money bill, either 50, 50 or 100. Again, an adult volunteer. Anyone, please raise your right hand. Yes, ma'am. Bring with you a money bill, either 20, 50 or 100. Please join us for your stage. So as you notice, our birds here are parrots because parrots are intelligent, charismatic, and musically inclined. So stand right here, ma'am. Face me, mom. Face me. And extend your left arm like this. Now I'll be inserting your money between your fingers, ma'am. Whatever happens, please don't try to move or swing your arms, okay? Now, ma'am, any last words? So let's go then, our money bird, blue. Now blue flies over.
Wow.
Takes the money, what's next, blue? And blue flies back to the table and blue wants to donate your money. So ma'am, it's okay to donate your money? So if it's okay, ma'am, then let's do a second round. This time, a higher bill, 500, ma'am. Just kidding, ma'am, this is just part of our show. But before you go up there, say, Mom Blue wants to take a picture with you. Now make a lovely pose, smile and our money bird, blue. Now here's back your money, ma'am. But before you go back to your seat, please follow our photographer, and he'll be giving you a printed copy of your picture for free.
Wow.
So a round of applause for our volunteer and our money bird, blue. Now this time, I'm going to introduce you to our parrots. Now here in Cebu Ocean Park, we have 4 different kinds of parrots. Our green-winged Maco-Bende, our blue and gold Maco-Goldie, our blue-named parrot named Yoshi, and our eclectus parrot named Rojo. But before we call in our birds, I would like to request everyone to please settle down, and if our birds and trainers will climb over you, please do not try to reach or grab the feathers or the birds. Again, please do not try to reach or grab the feathers or the birds because you can get easily frightened and could bite you. So let's go then. Bandit, Yoshi, Ro, and Goldie. So with trainer Erwin, there is our blue and gold Maco-Goldie. With trainer Christy is our green-winged Maco-Bende, with trainer Mary is our eclectus parrot named Rojo, and with trainer Nix is our blue-named parrot named Yoshi. So first up is our green-winged Maco-Bende. Now as you can see, his body is covered with red plumage. His wings and tails are green and blue. Now bandit right there has a white naked face, striped with small red feathers. Now bandit's scientific name is Here in Cebu Ocean Park, we have three blue and gold mako. In that earlier, in the basketball game, we have blue and azul. Now, Goldie right there, can will have her own segment later. Up next is our blue named parrot named Yoshi. Now, Yoshi right there is native in Borneo and here in the Philippines. Here in the Philippines, they were called Philippine green parrot or Picoy. Now, did you know guys that our blue named parrot right there is featured in a 500 peso bill? Mauna siya ang parrot na nasa 500 peso bill. And lastly, our eclectus parrot named Rojo. Now, Rojo right there is very unusual to the parrot family because of its extreme sexual dimorphism, meaning you can easily distinguish from male to female. Now, Rojo right there is a female eclectus parrot because of its bright red colored feathers, while the male has a bright green colored feathers. So if it's red, it's female. If it's green, it's male. And lastly, parrots are monogamous, meaning you can only have one partner in their entire lifetime. As for their lifespan, Bandit and Goldie can live up to 60 to 70 years, while Yoshi and Rojo can live up to 30 to 40 years. And that is it for 4 different kinds of parrots here in Cebu Ocean Park. We have Rojo, our eclectus parrot, Yoshi, our blue nape parrot, Bandit, our green-winged mako, and Goldie, our blue and gold mako.
My God.
Now, parrots are particularly intelligent. That is why people need to enhance their skills so that they won't get bored. Now, here's Bandit once again, and he's going to show us how to put the shape on its correct slots. Now, even though this learned behavior that Bandit is demonstrating, he needs to take the shape on its correct way. And that is only possible by its intelligence, memory, and perception. Okay, last shape, Bandit. Intelligent rat, a round of applause for intelligent bird, Bandit. Now I have here an object which is a ball, and I'm gonna hide this one of these 3 silver cups. As you can see, these cups are all empty. Now where do you have to hide this object? On your left, right, or in the middle? Left, right, middle. Again, left, right, middle. So let's put it right here. Now let's call in our second word, Goldie. Now do you think Goldie can find the hidden object? If it's a yes, then let me hear you cheering. You can do it, Goldie!
Do it, Goldie.
Now Goldie, please find the hidden object for us. Now Goldie is searching, scanning each cup, and there you go! She found it! There are us for second word, Goldie. We've shown you our parrots. Now I'm going to introduce you to our cockatoos. Here in Cebu Ocean Park, we have 4 different kinds of cockatoos. We have our sulfur-crested cockatoo Tweety, our umbrella cockatoo Nigel, our liquid cockatoo Snow, and our dolphin's cockatoo Frigates. But before we call in our birds, again guys, I would like to request everybody to please settle down, and if our trainers and birds will come over you, please don't try to reach or grab the feathers or the birds. So let's go then. Snow, Nigel, Tweety, and Fergus. woolly white grass that graces like an umbrella. Now its scientific name is Cacatoa alba. And lastly, our Moluccan cactus snow. Now snow right there are endemic in the Cebu archipelago of eastern Indonesia. Now these birds are known as the salmon-crested gato because of its pinkish white colored feathers. Now these birds are the largest among the white cockatoos. Its scientific name is Cacatoa galerica. Now in general, cockatoos use their crests for communication and mood, whether they are threatened, excited, or when in waiting. Now as you hear, cockatoos are very loud and can mimic any sound. Now as for their lifespan, Nigel and Tweety can live up to 30 to 40 years. And Snow right there can live up to 60 to 70 years. And that is it for our 3 different kinds of cockatoos here in Cebu Ocean Park. We have Tweety, our sulfur-crested cockatoo, Snow, our Moluccan cockatoo, and Nigel, our umbrella cockatoo. The next featured bird will leave you most baffled and amazed, even as trainers. But before we call in our great mathematician, I'll be asking you numbers between 1 to 20. Now, any numbers between 1 to 20?
8.
So number 8. How about the second number?
6. 6. 6.
Okay, number 5. So, please complete your answer. So 8 plus 5 equals 2. 13. So round us for a great mathematician. Snow. birds are called the birds of prey or raptors. Raptors meaning to seize or to take by force. Now there are 446 raptors around the globe. And in Cebu Ocean Park, we have two. Our broadly kite named Kingdom and our white-billed seagull named Aggie. But before we call in our raptor, I would like to request everybody to please settle down. And if our bird will fly over you, please don't try to reach or grab the bird, okay? Please don't try to reach or grab the bird. Okay, first up, our broadly kite named Kingdom.
Oh, wow!
Now Kingdom right there can be found in South Asian continent, Southeast Asia, and Australia. Now these birds are known as the red-backed sea eagles in Australia. Now these birds primarily feed on carrion, fish, insects, and other small animals. Now, if familiar na siya na bird, muna siya ang bird na nasa show ni Kuya Kim na Matang Lawin. Its scientific name is Haliaster indus. And that is it for Broadly Kite named Kingdom. Now up next, our largest raptor here in Cebu Ocean Park, presenting our white-billed seagull named Aggie. Please look to your left. Now these birds can be found in Southeast Asia and Australia.
Oh, it's so big! Ang laki!
In Australia, they are the second largest raptor, having a wingspan of 2.2 meters. Again guys, please settle down, especially the kids. Now these birds can be distinguishable by their white head and body and a gray wing forming a V shape. Again guys, please settle down. Thank you. As you notice, our children are wearing gloves. Now those gloves are called the falconry gauntlet. It is used to protect their arms from their sharp talons and beaks. Again guys, please settle down. Now ready your camera, Aswati will lie down once more. Again guys, please settle down and do not go near the birds, okay? And for the selfie stick. Excuse me ma'am sir, kailangan selfie stick sir, pakidown lang sir. Thank you.
Oh, wow! So nice!
And that is it for white-billed seagull named Aggie. Now, up next for more flying birds, please look to your left as we call it our homing pigeons. Now, these birds have an innate homing ability where they can go back to its nest and mate. They also have a special sense called magnetoreception, where they can locate altitude, location, and direction. Now these birds can fly as fast as 100 kilometers per hour. And that is it for raptors and homing pigeons.
Wow.
Now guys, do you want more?
Yes!
Again, do you want more?
Yes!
Now presenting our very unique bird here in Cebu Ocean Park. Our Filipino hornbill named Chuck. Now Chuck right there is known as Kalaw or Clock of the Mountain because of its large booming calls. Now these birds love to hop from perch to perch, showing its unique ability. These birds also can fly short distances between branches to branches. Now so right there is an omnivorous, meaning you can eat meat and fruits. That's it right there is an excellent catcher. So let's show them too. Okay, so first and second. Now guys, ready your cameras? Simple showcase you one more trick. In 3, 2, 1.
Wow!
Amazing, right? A round of applause for our Filipino hornbill named Sil. Now here in Cebu Ocean Park, we believe there is hope. Now who knows the 3R of proper waste disposal is to reduce, reuse, and
Recycle.
ayan, ang ilan pa na. Reduce, reuse, and
Recycle.
so recycle. So let's call in our lovely birds once again and he will show us how to dispose waste properly. So sadly, a lot of animals today is struggling because of improper waste management. That is why. So always keep in mind, reduce waste, reuse plastics, and recycle everything you can. So if Buddy can do it, so can we. So before we end our bird show, I would like to invite everyone to have a souvenir picture with our lovely birds. And pictures can only be taken by our special photographer. And guys, I would like to invite everyone to have a souvenir picture with our lovely birds. And pictures can only be taken with our official photographer. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's the end of our bird show. I would like to acknowledge everyone that made this show possible. Our trainer with right there is with our Filipino hornbill tip. Trainer next with our green wing Mako Bennett. Trainer Mary with our blue and gold Mako Blue. Trainer Chrissy with our sulfur crested Kakato Tweety. And Trainer Billy up there with us, our DJ, and I am Mark. Thank you for watching and goodbye! And guys, I would like to invite everyone to have a souvenir picture with our lovely birds.